Sheikh, question regarding the Isha prayer and the Witr with respect to Tahajjud. So I've seen many lectures, but like still, I just want to clarify myself. So if I pray Isha and concluded the Isha prayer with the Witr, so from what I've been taught, like it's that once you conclude your Isha prayer with the Witr, you're not supposed to pray Tahajjud. Now, provided that if I wake up or like intentionally
This is wrong.
wake up.
This is not true. Continue.
I got me muted. So yeah, so if I pray Witr and I wake up like around 2 a.m., let's say I've set an alarm or like, wake up myself, so can I still pray Tahajjud?
100%. Yes, you can. Akhi, there's a confusion among the Muslims who don't seek knowledge properly and learn properly from the Quran and the Sunnah. The confusion is due to the fact that the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, there are no two witr in one night. And the other hadith, make the last of your night prayer witr. So people made the math and said, if I prayed Isha and then prayed witr, then I should follow the second hadith, make the last of your night prayer witr. And this means I cannot pray afterwards. And this is not true. Because the Prophet himself, ﷺ, as narrated by Mother Aisha, used to offer his witr prayer and afterwards pray 2 rak'ahs sitting down. And praying 2 rak'ahs indicates that you can pray after your witr. However, it is highly recommended for those who know that they will wake up in the middle of the night at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and they're fixated on that. It's best for them to delay the witr to be the last thing they pray at that night. But if someone is hesitant or uncertain whether he's gonna wake up or not, and he concludes after Isha by praying witr and then goes to bed, and wakes up at 2 or 3 a.m., he may pray as many rak'ahs as he wishes, 2 by 2. But no witr, because the witr he prayed after Isha makes the total of whatever he prayed that night in odd numbers, and this is the sunnah.
My question is, so when I pray witr with the imam in masjid, basically he didn't sit down on the second rak'ah, and he didn't do atayat. And on the third rakat, he didn't say, the way I was taught, it was basically on the third rakat, you say, Ya Rabbi, Ya Rabbi, Ya Rabbi, but Shaykh didn't say it. So my question is, can you tell me how to do witr step by step?
Okay, first of all, whatever your imam did was the right thing, and he's following the sunnah. And whatever you were taught is not according to the sunnah. Witr, which is 3 rak'ahs, usually, is either prayed 2, like Fajr, and then you offer salam, and then you stand up for the single rak'ah, so the total is 3. Or you pray them all continuously as 3 rak'ahs, as in the case of Maghrib, but you do not sit in the second rak'ah for tashahhud. Rather, you sit only in the final rak'ah. And this is what the Prophet ordered us, alayhi salatu wasalam, not to make it look like Maghrib, and we should not sit in the second rak'ah. Saying Ya Rabbi, Ya Rabbi, Ya Rabbi, this is an innovation and not part from the sunnah, and Allah knows best. Wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
May Allah grant you a healthy life, Sheikh.
And as you as well.
Ameen. So my question, Sheikh, is what is the best time to pray witr, Sheikh? Is it after praying Isha, or is it during the time of Tahajjud? Jazakallah khair.
Wa jazakum. So the question is crystal clear. Brother Muhammad from the Philippines says, what's the best time to pray witr? The best time is in the last third of the night. The Prophet says, alayhi salatu wasalam, let the conclusion of your night prayer be witr. And he said that the best of the prayers are at the middle of the night or in the midst of the night, and that is at the last third. And the Prophet ﷺ used to pray in the beginning of the night and in the middle of the night, and then it ended that he used to pray the vast majority of his nights at the last third of the night. So if you wake up 2 to 3 hours before Fajr and you offer tahajjud and you read the Quran, you make dua, and you conclude your night prayer with 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 rak'ahs of witr, then you have followed the sunnah and you have attained the best of rewards, and Allah knows best.